Hello everyone, welcome back to Gist of Maths. Today we will continue the different operations on fraction. You can check out the other videos on fraction by clicking on the I button or the link that are given below in the description box. So without any delay, let's get started. Conversion of unlike fraction to like fraction. Example number A, 3 by 4 and 7 by 8. Here you can see the denominators are different. So first of all, we need to find out the LCM of all the denominators, that is 4 and 8. So the LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. Now, to get the same denominator or the like fraction, we will multiply the same number with the numerator as well as the denominator. That is, as the LCM is 8, so we multiply 4 with 2 and 3 with 2 and get 6 by 8, and 7 by 8 is multiplied with 1 and get 7 by 8. So the like fractions are 6 by 8 and 7 by 8. Okay, now come to example number B. 7 by 25, 9 by 10, 19 by 40. The LCM of 25, 10 and 40, that is all the denominator, is equals to 200. Now, to get the like fraction, we multiply the same number, that is 8, with both the numerator and denominator and get 56 by 200. Here, 9 by 10 is multiplied with 20 and get 180 by 200. 19 by 40 is multiplied with 5 and get 95 by 200. So now 56 by 200, 180 by 200 and 95 by 200, these all three are the like fractions. Okay. Now come to ascending order and descending order. First, arrange in ascending order having the same denominator. So when the denominators are all equal or same, then the larger numerator will be the larger fraction and smaller numerator will be the smaller fraction. Example number A, 2 by 7, 6 by 7, 5 by 7 and 1 by 7. So here all the denominators are same, that is 7. So the smaller number, that is 1, will be the smaller fraction, that is 1 by 7. After that 2 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. So that this is the ascending order arrangement of this fraction. Now come to example number B. 3 by 9, 5 by 9, 7 by 9, 2 by 9. All the denominators are same, that is 9. So first is the smaller fraction 2 by 9, that is 2 by 9. After that 3 is the smaller, so 3 by 9. After that 5 by 9, so 5 by 9. Then 7 by 9, that is 7 by 9. So this is the arrangement of this fraction in ascending order. Okay. Come to arrange in descending order having the same denominator. As I said earlier, when all the denominators are same, larger numerator will be the larger fraction and smaller numerator will be the smaller fraction. So example number A, 10 by 13, 9 by 13, 11 by 13, 2 by 13. All the denominators are same, that is 13. So the larger number, that is 11 by 13, is the larger fraction, that is 11 by 13. After that 10 is the larger number, so 10 by 13. Then 9 is the larger number, so 9 by 13. And lastly 2, that is 2 by 13. So this is the arrangement of the fractions in descending order. Now come to example number B. 5 by 11, 7 by 11, 3 by 11, 9 by 11. All the denominators are same, that is 11. So 9 is the greatest number in this fraction. So this is the greater fraction. After that 7 is the greatest number. So 7 by 11. After that 5 by 11. Then 3. That is 3 by 11. So this is the arrangement of the fractions in descending order. Okay. Now come to arrange in ascending order and descending order having the same numerator. When the numerators are same in the fractions, then having the greater denominator will be the smaller fraction and vice versa. So let's check with some examples. Arrange in ascending order having same numerator. Example number A, 5 by 7, 5 by 9, 5 by 11, 5 by 12. All the numerators are same, that is 5. So having the greater denominator is the smaller fraction, that is 12 is the greater denominator, which is the smallest fraction. After that 11, that is 5 by 11, then 5 by 9, that is this, then 5 by 7 is the larger fraction in this whole fraction as the denominator is the smallest one. So this is the arrangement of this fraction in ascending order. Now come to example number B. 3 by 4, 3 by 5, 3 by 8, 3 by 10. All the numerators are same, that is 3. So the greater denominators, that is 10 or 3 by 10 is the smallest fraction in this number. After that 8, so 3 by 8, then 5, so 3 by 5. Lastly 4 is the smallest denominator, so this is the greater fraction, that is 3 by 4. So this is the arrangement of the fractions in ascending order. Okay. Now come to arrange in descending order having the same numerator. When all the numerators are same, then the fraction having the greater denominator will be the smaller fraction. Okay. So 5 by 9, 5 by 7, 5 by 21 and 5 by 19. Here all the numerators are same, that is 5. So the fraction that have the greater denominator is the 5 by 21. So this is the smaller fraction. Similarly, 7 is the smallest denominator in this fraction. So the fraction 5 by 7 is the greater. After that 5 by 9, then 5 by 19, then 5 by 21. So this is the arrangement of the fraction in descending order. Now come to example number B. 4 by 9, 4 by 11, 4 by 13 and 4 by 10. All the numerators are same, that is 4. Here the denominator 9 is the smallest one. So the fraction 4 by 9 is the greater. So after 4 by 9, 10 is the smallest denominator. So 4 by 10 is the greater fraction. After that 4 by 11, then lastly 4 by 13, as 13 is the greatest denominator in this fraction. So this is the arrangement of this fraction in descending order. Okay. So today up to this guys, in the next video we will continue some other operations on fraction. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, keep learning. Thank you.